Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are in this world. This is Hejin Lee with a morning update for Bitcoin. I think I am seeing the blossoming or the budding of a breakout, of a breach of the top blue resistance line. And this is a 6 hour chart. If I go to the 4 hour chart, I think we'll see a little bit of it more, but let's zoom in now. Yes, absolutely. So this breakout is very significant. What needs to happen is that the breakout has to remain decisive. What is a decisive breakout? A decisive breakout has to breach but also stay above the resistance line. If it does come back into the resistance line, that is not a decisive breakout. That's just a temporary piercing of the resistance line. And who knows exactly what will happen? No one does, because there is no analyst of certainty. There is no one who is 100% precision certain on any analysis. Everything is based on relative probability. Now, when something has been beaten down, just one thing I was kind of saying to myself here is, aren't the sellers getting tired? And yes, they are. And I've shown the rationale for exactly why and how that works. After something has been just beaten down, just beating every day with just temporary relief, and then just after, when people think there's a relief, maybe a trend reversal, it gets beaten again. Every little bounce is beaten down until the seller strength becomes sapped. And that is shown in both price movement as well as the MACD movement. And when something is beaten down for so long, for so hard, there comes a point when they won't take it anymore. There comes a point where it becomes, no matter how much harder you beat the thing, it won't go down anymore. But that, coupled with the fact that the seller's strength has been sapped uniformly so much that they are almost now powerless to keep it from going up. In fact, all the shorts that had piled in are now having to do a very panic-driven short covering. They need to cover their short positions. And now that this has breached, I believe it will induce additional panic. And that additional panic would enable this to become a decisive breach. Last night I said it was wonderful to see the top white line breach. Now, the next step last night I said was that the blue line had to be breached. So if panic fuels the shorts from covering their shorts, and that coupled with actual buyers coming in, Remember that when you short, you sell short, you borrow shares from another account, from the exchange, and you bet that the price will go down. That's what selling short will be. And for that, you need a margin account. And when the price goes down, you're making profit. For every dollar that goes down, you make $1 profit. However, to take your profit, you have to do what's called buy back. You have to buy back what you sold short. So when you buy it back, you are actually like a buyer. So when all the shorts are doing their buybacks, and that's called short covering, you're covering your short by buying it back, you actually become a buyer. You actually become added to the population of the buyers that are driving this rise, that breakout. So I never have problem with allowing shorts, even in equities market. Like during 2008 financial crisis, they said they should prevent shorting. I thought that was the dumbest idea. That's not going to help at all because you need the shorts to help the rally back up. So if we can remain decisive, I think what will help to remain decisive in the breach and get it further higher will be the short covering. And then from here, we'll probably have some kind of a retrace, but we need to see two rounds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ABC, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 rounds of an impulse upwards to get a pretty good confirmation of a trend reversal potential. Okay, that does it for the morning update. More to come. Exciting days are ahead of us, especially I believe in May. We may see some serious fireworks. Thank you and have a great day.